Hey guys, welcome to the kitchen. Lucky Dog is at it again. He's gonna make a cheese sandwich, a grilled cheese sandwich. We're gonna do it a little bit different. We're gonna put some garlic on the outside instead of the butter. We're gonna use a garlic and mayonnaise mixture and check it out and see how it comes out. So follow along. Alright guys, first thing we're going to do is we're going to make up this mixture here. So we're going to start out here. I've got some softened butter. I'm going to take probably a little more than a quarter of a stick of butter. We're going to get our fingers good and messy here. We're going to add that to it alongside of mayonnaise. You want to get a nice golden brown on your grilled cheese. Always use some mayonnaise. I'm going to say we're going to go about half and half. And then the secret to this is I get this minced garlic in a can. Now this is a brand new one and it has a lot of the liquid on it. What I'm going to do is just pour a real generous amount of this liquid into that. So now we've got our garlic mixed up here. And then all we got to do is mix this all up here until we get a nice little buttery paste. Get it mixed up and then this will be what we put on our bread. This is really easy to do. There we go guys. That's our butter or our spread that goes on our bread. That's how we're going to start out. Alright, so our next step is we're going to we've got this is rye bread. We got this at the deli instead of just packaged bread. But what we're going to do is we're going to spread a really nice amount of our garlic and mayonnaise and butter sauce over top of it. We got a really good spread here. I'm going to place that with the buttered side down. Now, instead of just using sliced cheese, today we're going to use this shredded sharp cheddar. And so now we're going to put a nice amount of cheese on the bread here. Now, if you get a little bit in the pan, that's all right. What that's going to do is just make a nice crispy cheese on it. So I'll get a liberal amount on there. We're going to take the other side of the bread. And again, we're just going to put our butter garlic mixture with some mayonnaise in it. Place it over top of that. And I'm just going to smash it just a little bit with my spatula there just to get it started. We got this on medium heat. We're going to make up another one and get ready to crisp them up real nicely. Alright, so we have the cheese and the bread in the pan. I've got it set on just a little one number above the medium heat. Your stove may vary depending on just how your stove reacts. You got a couple plates out here. So now we're just going to keep cooking these down until we get just a real nice crisp on them here. Probably going to be, I can smell the garlic. It smells great. I'm going to grab a lid. A lot of times if you throw a lid over top, get that lid on there and it gets that heat down in there, that'll help the cheese to melt down nicely. Now we're just going to continue cooking away. All right, let's go ahead and check this out once. It's stuck. I'm trying to say it's stuck a little bit. Put the lid back on it. We'll see how it tastes. I think it's gonna be good. Using the sharp cheddar, along with the garlic is going to give it a new dimension. So something new. We like to try different things here in Lucky Dog's kitchen. Now again, if I do this the next time, I'm going to add just a little cooking spray to the bottom of the pan. We got just a little bit of stickage. Is that what you call that? Stickage? It stuck. So I think that's what I would do. Now this area right in here, you see that one can be toasted just a little bit more. And I'm turning the heat off now. Nice thing about these cast iron pans, they will hold the heat, and that'll keep it nice and good. Here you guys go. This is my version of a grilled cheese sandwich using sharp cheddar cheese with some garlic, mayonnaise and butter mixture on the outside. And so I think it's going to be really, really good. All right, there you go, guys. I'm going to cut this in two once. Yeah, melted really nice. And take a bite. Wow, that's really good. Can really, I can taste the garlic in it. I think this is a winner. Hey, give this one a try. It really worked out good. A little dimension with the garlic and that on the and using the sharp cheddar really came out really, really nice. So hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, if you got any comments, leave it in the comment section below. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Hey, if you're not a subscriber, I invite you, hit the subscribe button, ring that bell at the top, notify of our next video. So hope you give this a try. Happy eating. We'll see you guys the next time. If you'd like to support our channel, we have links down below that you can click on. We're an Amazon affiliate. We have stickers available. We have a t-shirt store where you can buy t-shirts and coffee chat mugs. Or if you just want to support us, you can support us through the PayPal link. So we appreciate all your help. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.